Hey guys, and Apple is back again in this beach. We just got the second prototype after the Resident Evil 4 Mutant iPhone 11 edition, presenting you the Illuminati edition of the iPhone 11. This is the second prototype. OnLeaks just came out with this mega Apple leak once again, and it's another potential design for the iPhone 11 Max triple camera setup. So with the second prototype, we have triple cameras in the horizontal orientation with a gold noticeable ring in the middle, which is actually the flash setup. In my opinion, this actually looks better than the Mutant edition. I mean, that was just a stirred up Huawei ripoff. It's either gonna be this or the Illuminati edition. Right now, we know that both are prototypes. Apple still has yet to finalize the design, and it has to happen quick. Now, the very important detail that is overlooked is that the notch on this leak is actually smaller. For the first time, we have the front design leak as well for the 2019 iPhone, and you can see the notch is smaller than the current iPhone notches. As the world is moving fast towards getting rid of that thing altogether, using holes and whatnot, but Apple is still moving with its own turtle pace. Still, it's a progress for Apple fans, so it seems like we might actually see a smaller notch and improved Face ID sensor on the 2019 iPhone 11 models. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts on the new prototype for the iPhone 11. Which do you prefer, this or the Mutant edition? Let me know. Let's talk about more Apple news. The triple camera setup on the iPhone, as ugly as it is, it's going to give more power to the camera capabilities. Mac rumors have reported that it could feature 3x optical zoom along with a better 3D sensing. The third sensor here could be a TOF or time of flight sensor. As we know, Apple is really into AR, so having a proper TOF sensor will make 3D sensing on a whole new level. Now, 5G is making a lot of noise. We'll see a lot of Android phones coming in 2019 with 5G capability, but Apple will be holding off for now. Apparently, 2019 iPhones won't feature 5G. A 5G iPhone is something that can happen in next year. Now, instead of 5G, Apple is actually doing something better, since 5G will not going to be available everywhere. It's going to be a main thing next year anyways for most markets. So Apple's 2019 iPhones could pack something called Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 will bring some huge improvement to the Wi-Fi capabilities of the iPhone 11 series. Wi-Fi internet performance will increase. Better power management means less of a strain on the battery life when on the Wi-Fi. And also the signal strength will improve massively. Apple is known to adopt the latest Wi-Fi technology, so this could actually happen on this year's iPhone models. Now, with iPhone 11, Apple could introduce a brand new design change. Some speculation regarding the iPad Pro design coming to the iPhone 11. As you can see in this render, it has this iPad Pro / iPhone 5 throwback look as well. And honestly, it is kind of refreshing compared to the current design. If Apple don't make any noticeable changes to its 2019 iPhone design, then I'm afraid it won't be worthy of the upgrade, as more people are sticking to the existing iPhone models. Now, Wall Street Journal came out with a new report regarding the 3 iPhone models coming out this year. So the lineup will be similar to the 2018 iPhone, so we'll see iPhone 11, 11 Max, and the iPhone 11R. The display sizes are the same, 5.8 inch, 6.5 inch, and 6.1 inches. The R series iPhone is still coming with an LCD display, while the other 2 high-end models will feature OLED displays. But there will be improvement in the camera department. So iPhone 11R could actually come with dual camera sensors on the back. Similarly, the iPhone 11 5.8 inch OLED model is also expected to rock dual cameras, and triple camera sensor is said to be exclusive with the iPhone 11 Max model. And something that has been mentioned in the report is that there could be no 3D touch across all the iPhone models. So 3D touch is actually dying. The current models are the last ones to have this feature. So that's all we have on the latest Apple news, new 2 design options, Mutant or Illuminati Edition look, a possible smaller notch, a Type-C port could actually come to all the models, and of course, a support for Wi-Fi 6. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding this prototype leak, and also, what are your thoughts regarding the iPhones? Will Apple do better than what they did in 2018? Let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.